If you've never drawn a dragon, it's the perfect time to start because it's the year of the dragon, of course. Just start off by sketching a small circle with a triangle on the side and make a long squiggly line coming off of it. And then you're actually just going to erase all of that. Don't erase too hard because you still want to see it. And with a light color, you can trace over it. Once you have that curvy line traced, you can go over it again, making it thicker. You want that curvy line to be pretty thick all over, except for the end where you want it to taper off. Near the head, make a diagonal line. Make a few more fanning outwards that get smaller as they go down. And connect the ends together with curved lines. With a slightly darker color, you can make a back wing poking out on the side. And you're going to use a darker color and go over the top of those lines and add an eye. Coming from the neck, make a curved line that loops around. You're going to want it to avoid the overlapping sections. Bring that secondary line going all the way down the body. And once you have that, you can fill in the top half with a dark color. The goal is to make the lighter color look like the underbelly. And using a darker color, you can add shading around the sides of the dark section as well as wherever it's overlapped. With an even lighter color coming from the head, make these lines that flick outwards. Slightly outline them to give them definition. Give it two little angled slits for its snout. Add a few dots in its eye with a white pen. Use it to go over the lines of the wings. And with a black pen, wherever there's underbelly, add these curved lines going around. And give him a slit on his mouth. Add white dots of varying sizes going all the way down the dark section. On the sides of its body, you can add these light lines that flick outwards. And at the end of its tail, add a bunch of them. Give him two long curvy whiskers coming from the top of his mouth.